Hello and welcome to the module number 24 of the Facebook ads and chatbot marketing course. In this module, we are going to talk about a really interesting marketing concept which was not available with the previous technologies, a few years back, and that is called remarketing. Now, how does remarketing work? Well, it's all due to the magic of Facebook Pixel and the feature that I explained you in the last video, that is custom audiences. So now you know that you have a list of people, you have a certain amount of people who have engaged with your brand, maybe either through your pages, through video views, through your website, through your apps, right? And you want to target those people specifically. So you can create custom audiences for that. So why the need of remarketing, and why is there a special video module on remarketing? The thing is, remarketing involves showing ads to non-action takers again, and in that case what you can expect is that when a person has um, engaged with your ad, he has come to your landing page, maybe on which you were asking him to either purchase, or either you were asking him for filling up a form, but he didn't take that action. Okay, that is, he didn't went to your thank you page. That was the page where you had set up your conversion pixel, the event pixel. All right, so what now you can do is you can run a remarketing campaign where you include only those people who have visited your main landing page but didn't actually convert and visited your thank you page, because there is no other way to reach the thank you page unless and until they fill up the form or perform the desired action that you want them to take, right? I hope that idea is clear. So that is what remarketing is all about. We show ads to non-action takers again. The reason for that is that your visitors are not going to convert on your first attempt. Not a lot of them are going to convert with the first engagement with your ad. Okay, based on a study, based on some psychological results, it takes about 7 to 8 business impacts, to 7 to 8 engagements for a person to convert into a customer or convert in any sort of a way. All right, so as now you know that this is a warm audience that we are dealing with, there are greater chances of conversions, as 98% first time visitors don't convert. So you don't have to quit if somebody is not converting on your first advertising campaign. Okay, you have to actually go ahead, collect that data using custom audiences, and then show them different kinds of ads that talk differently in terms of like you can offer them a discount, just like I talked in one of the previous videos as well. We're talking about warm audiences here, so they already know who you are and what all you do. Okay, so what you can do is, in a remarketing campaign, you can show different kinds of ads where you can offer them discounts, or where you can offer where you can target them with a different psychology in mind. Like if the first ad that you were using is based on logic, okay, or if that is based on urgency. All right, in the remarketing campaign you can use a different psychology altogether. Like you can target them with a story, you can target them with emotion, you can target them with another trigger that you think that is apt for your business objective that you want to do. Like if sometimes the persons don't engage with the emotional ad campaign that you ran in the first place, then in the remarketing scenario you can actually give them a logic ad. All right, so that they can understand what is the mixture of emotion and logic, because just as I told you, people buy due to emotions but they justify it with the logic. All right, so you need to convince them with both scenarios. And even if on the second attempt they don't convert, then you can even show them another ad which is based on urgency or scarcity, so that the chances of conversions increase. So I hope now you understand the power of remarketing that you have with Facebook Pixel and the custom audience feature. The thing is, earlier there used to be no type of technology that could communicate back to the ad platform. All right, but with Facebook Pixel, and now we even have that in Google advertisement as well, in other platforms as well. But with the Facebook Pixel, since we are talking about Facebook ads, that data is being communicated. Okay, if somebody is coming to your landing page but didn't reach your thank you page, you can actually target just those people, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video on how to actually set that up inside of Facebook ads. All right, so before that, let me discuss something, how you actually do that. So done using the custom audience feature, this I have already told you. And what we will do is we will include all the visitors to your landing page, and we will exclude the people who have reached your thank you page, because those are the people who have already converted, and we don't want to show them the remarketing ad again, right? Because they have already been converted. We want to target those people who have landed the landed the home page or the main landing page, but they have not reached the thank you page. All right, that is the audience, that is a warm audience that is still not converted, and we are going to target them. So what we are going to do is, let me just go to my screen and in fact show you directly. We will come to the third point later on. Okay, so here we are in the audience, in the audience feature business tool that Facebook has, right? So you can see the list of audiences that we have already created. So it's very simple. It's similar to creating a custom audience. What we are going to do is we are going to create a custom audience. All right. Let me reload it. So now I'm going to click on create audience and click on custom audience. Let's see if we get that pop up again. Yes. So what we are going to do is we are going to, click on our website. All right. And you have already seen this before, but in this case what I'm going to do is I'm going to target people who actually came to my website in past 90 days. Okay, and that website is not going to be my entire website. I'm going to create a custom audience of only those people who have landed on the page where I have asked them to fill up a form. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this option, people who visited specific web pages, and herein I'm going to add the URL of my website. Okay, so let me do that. Right, since I have that on my home page, I have added it like that. But if you don't have it on home page, if you have a separate page made for it, like if it is like batteryresurgence.com slash maybe the lead page, all right, if it is something like lead page or sign up page. Okay, so what you can do is you can just click enter, and then if the URL of your ad campaign, you have to add that URL in the display URL option inside the advertising setup, right? So that domain, and in that domain, when somebody has opened up a page that contains the sign up page as the URL slug. Okay, so those are the people who are actually your visitors. Okay, all the visitors. All right, and if I want to add in people who are just who are the converted people, right? So then I'm going to add the link of my thank you page, isn't it? So I'm going to add in here thank you page as that, as this, and then I'm going to name this audience separately. All right, so what I mean to tell you is that you can either directly do it, like you can include the sign up page people. Okay, and you can exclude the thank you page people. All right, now when I name this audience, like these are the non converted, or the remarketing audience, I name it as. Okay, so if I just click on create audience, now these are the people who actually didn't convert on my landing page. So now Facebook, I can use this custom audience while setting up my ad campaign, the new ad campaign. Okay, I showed you how you can select the audiences, right? In the saved audiences part, you can do that, and you can even add your custom audiences inside of the advertising manager. So let me go ahead and show you how that can be done. All right, let me open my Facebook ads manager again. Let me select the right business manager. Okay, I'm going to click on create campaign. I'm going to select conversions. Okay, I'm going to